Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Broussard's class Moodle website. Now, if I wanted to change the name of my class website, I would go up here, click the drop down and hit edit settings. That will bring you to a page where you can go ahead and change your class website name. But I like mine, I'm going to stick with it. If you want to add new courses, you scroll down, hit this add a new course button. You'll be able to name it, provide details. But as you can see, I've already added two, so let's just go to my Biology 1 honors. Okay, so as you can see, the announcements is actually going to be built into the website. It's already going to be there. But I have added a forum, and that is my general questions forum. So just to show you how to add one, you would go ahead and you would click this button and hit add, but I've already added mine. But let's preview it. Alrighty, so students can go ahead, they can click add a new discussion topic, and I've told them basically ask any questions you have about the course right here. So let's go back to my Biology 1 honors page. Okay, and I've already changed my first topic to be first day of school. So the way you do this, you just hit the edit button, and I'm liking first day of school, so let's stick with that. You just hit enter when finished. Now I'm going to add an activity to this, and we're going to do an assignment for the first day of school. So click that and hit add. Okay, so the name of this assignment is going to be, first day assignment. Alrighty, right here in this description box, that's where you tell students what you want them to do for the assignment. So I'm going to say, tell me about your favorite living organism, because biology is the study of life. So I'm just going to learn a little bit about my students this first day. If I had more specific and long instructions, then I could add an instruction sheet right here, attach a file. Availability is where you're going to put your start and end date for your for the assignment. So I'm going to open this up on August 1st. Like, let's say that this was the fall semester, and this is in military time, so that is at midnight. My due date is going to be the end of the first day of school, which is going to be August 13th. And we're going to make that at 11:55 p.m., which would be 23:55. Okay, and you have this remind me to grade by option. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in so I don't forget. Make that August. And we're just going to make this at noon. That works for me. Okay, and submission types. So what you can go ahead and do here is you can designate how you want your students to turn this in. So it could either be online text, where it'll give you a description box to write in, or it could be file submissions. Checking both gives the students the options. But for this assignment, because it's so short, I just want them to do an online text box, so I'm going to uncheck the file submissions. Okay, and last thing I'm going to show y'all is how to set your grading option. So you can choose between a couple of different types of grading. So you could do none, scale, or points, but I like points. This is a relatively short assignment, so I'm just going to make this worth 10 points. And if you would like, you can indicate a grade to pass. And because this is all or none assignment, I'm going to do 10. So they either do it or they don't. There's a couple other things you can do on here, but I like this. Simple, short, sweet. So hit save and return to course. Okay, let's scroll back up. And as you can see, it is added under first day assignment. So that's just a little preview of how to get started for Moodle.